Ever been in the middle of an outage, scrambling to remember which Slack channel to ping, what steps to take first, or who escalates to whom? Our Runbook and Playbook pack fixes that chaos with battle tested templates for incident escalation paths, step by step recovery workflows, post mortem analysis frameworks, and customizable runbook formatting tools. No more Googling how to write a runbook at 3 a.m. while your service melts. This is for SREs drowning in pager alerts, DevOps leads fighting inconsistent processes, and systems architects tired of reinventing wheels. Standardize your chaos, because the next incident is coming. Here's what's inside the Runbook and Playbook pack. Incident escalation trees with duty rotation integrations. Recovery workflows with rollback triggers and API health checks. Post-mortem templates with blameless analysis prompts and metrics capture. Formatting tools for version-controlled runbooks with embedded code snippets. Each phase comes with working code templates, performance benchmarks, and progress checklists. And it works everywhere. Claude Code, Cursor, Gemini CLI, Windsurf, Copilot, Warp, and more. This isn't just documentation, it's your incident command center in a box. Installing the Runbook and Playbook pack takes one command: npx quanta-skills add runbook-pack. That's it. You get the entire workflow: templates for escalation matrices, recovery playbooks with automated verification steps, post-mortem frameworks with KPI tracking, all preloaded with best practices from Fortune 500 incident responses. Next time you open Claude Code or Copilot, your AI assistant knows how to generate runbooks with proper escalation triggers and recovery verifications. No more teaching your bot about PagerDuty integrations. We've already done the hard part. Now go sleep soundly, knowing your next outage has a plan.